Welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance in Germany in English. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the dividends that I received in the month of October. Now, a lot of you know that, of course, like we have the normal standard investing that we do for our retirement. So the core MSCI World or S&P 500 or whatever kind of like index you like. But on the other hand, I also want to build a system which is giving me cash flow every single month. So this month was actually nice because this was the first time I had some decent investments in companies which are paying out monthly dividends. As a legal disclaimer, this video is just for fun purposes and I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before investing your money in any single place. So I'm going to start from 1st October. So if you see on 1st October, I had dividends from Coca-Cola, which was 21 euros and 46 cents. Now this amount is after the taxes have already been cut. So I'm going to go into the breakdown of every single dividends afterwards. First, I'm just going to show you like how everything looks like. Then afterwards, I had the core MSCI World, the 500 euros. Those got invested because it is the monthly savings plan that I have started with Trade Republic. Then the next company I received dividends was from AGNC Investment Corporation. This is also a monthly dividend company. Here I got 17 euros 36 cents. Then LTC Properties, also a monthly dividend company. Here I invested the money inside, so I would be like getting the dividends afterwards. Then I received the dividends from Main Street Capital Corporation, 22 euros 72 cents. SL Green Realty, 16 euros 35 cents. Stag Industrial, 2 euros 59 cents. So all of these are still like monthly dividend companies. Then afterwards, Realty Income Corporation, 7 euros and 8 cents. Prospect Capital Corporation, 20 euros and 45 cents. Then I received the dividends from LTC Properties, which is 9 euros and 57 cents. And then from Gladstone Capital Corporation, 18 euros and 23 cents. All of this amount is after taxes. So this means that the dividends that I have received in the month of October is here on the screen because I haven't calculated it yet, but it's fun because I'll be doing it while editing the video. So you can see the number here, which so far I think like it would be somewhere around 100 euros. So this is like absolutely not bad. This is still the money that would be lying in some kind of bank account and you would be paying for keeping the money in the bank account, whereas on the other hand, when you invest in stocks, you're actually making your money work for you and like you're getting your interest on that. So this is something I actually really like. Now, most of these companies which are paying out monthly dividends, these are either REITs or BDCs. So of course, you see that there is some kind of concentration of like where I'm putting the money right now. But to balance it out, I'm investing also in the core MSCI World so that again, I'm invested in the entire market. And it like then generally trends to go upwards, even though the monthly dividend companies, their growth rate is not that high. With an exception of the Realty Income Corporation, it has been going up. Main Street Capital, it also has been going up. And Pembina Pipelines, it has also been going up. So Coca-Cola, if you see here, I had 72 stocks and I received $41 each. And then afterwards, taxes got deducted for US, which was $4.43. And then it got converted. And in the end, I had 21 euros and 46 cents. AGNC, 200 stocks and dividends per stock was 12 cents. Then afterwards, Main Street Capital Corporation, 154 stocks and then dividends per stock was 205 cents. So 20 cents, no? Which is not bad because this is still something that you're getting monthly. Nice. Then SL Green Realty, 77 stocks, Stag Industrial, 30 stocks, Realty Income, 42 stocks, Prospect Capital, 474 stocks. It's actually a cheap one. So I think it costs around 4 euros or something, 4 or 5 euros. And LTC Properties, 70 stocks. And Gladstone Capital Corporation, 389 stocks. And then afterwards, the one which I will be getting today, so 2nd November 2020, is AT&T, 58 stocks and 52 cents per stock, which will make up for around 21 euros and 85 cents. So this is again like not bad money. Like if you're receiving every single month over 100 euros in dividend income because you've invested the money. Now, of course, if you will take a look at all of the money that I've invested to earn the dividends that you see on the screen, it is this number again. So you can see if it is something that you would be comfortable with or not. I personally think like it doesn't really make sense for me to like keep the money just in the bank account and, you know, pay the banks for keeping the money there. I would rather invest in the stock market, and especially right now because of the corona and because of the elections going on, stocks are actually super cheap. So if you had some kind of extra money, I mean, see like what kind of companies you would like to invest in, do your research, and like, go ahead with that. Personally, I find this is a great opportunity to just get your money to work for you. For those of you who are starting new, to invest in stocks in Germany, you need a depot. I'm right now with Trade Republic and Scalable Capital. Trade Republic is a bit more difficult for expats because their identification process is not really that friendly towards experts. So like if you have any kind of different documents or different passports, it might not get accepted. Then on the other hand, with Scalable Capital, it is a lot easier for expats, and you also have a lot of like investment options. If you haven't opened your depot yet, you can open a depot with Scalable Capital, which gives you €25 sign up bonus, and you can use the link in the description to open up the depot. And if you do not know how to open the depot, I've also made a separate video for it that you will also find in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section below. And if you have some kind of more suggestions, you also tell me about it. All I ask you to do is to share this video with one of your friends, and that would be super nice of you. Thank you so much again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.